Hi, in this example, I'm going to scrape the speakers from an industry conference, the amusingly named World of Wipes. I have two kids, so I know lots about wipes, too much. So I'm going to scrape this and pull it in. This is a very good use case for Clay. Clay is very good at this, just a few clicks. You can do it yourself, or you can propose a job and I can take care of it for you. So I'm going to use the Clay Chrome plugin. You can see that automatically or automagically it's picking up all the details just at the click of a button. I'm going to add it to the workspace. If you're doing this yourself, be patient. Sometimes it doesn't instantly appear and you end up creating duplicates. This is my second take. Previously, I created 3 duplicates and had to delete them. Also, it doesn't always fill out straight away. Sometimes it only has 2 columns or 3 columns and you think it didn't work. And yeah, just be patient. Hit the refresh button. There we go. All right. So to do this, if you've looked at the, no, scrap that. So I'm going to add an enrichment. I'm going to enrich person, search. Find an enriched person from Google search. So search query, you put in, I just put in kind of everything I got. I don't try to be clever here. Google and Clay are already clever enough and we'll track it down. So I do not use the in-title builder. I actually tried a moment ago when I was making this video and used this, and it found 5 out of the 10 examples. Whereas you'll see in a moment when I do this, it should find 10 out of 10. So I'm going to just simply put in the name. So that's, where's that? Okay, what columns? Yeah, X1. You can of course title these X1 and what? We need text 3 because that's the name of the organization, and you don't even need the and. I won't put in the and. And where's the person's job title? So director of sales and yeah, text 2. I'll put in text 2 here. Text 2. Okay. Just add a little space there. And then it's going to continue to add space. Now, date of birth. No, we don't want that and probably can't get it. So we will get the LinkedIn URL because that will enable us to do other things in a moment. Their name, no, their name should be correct. We might pull their title though, because this might be a shortened title. For example, Paul is probably more than just a senior consultant now. We probably multiple titles. That would be a bit vague for poor Paul. So save and run for first 10 rows. I'll do that. Okay, very good. 10 out of 10. So now we can go and we can use these LinkedIn profiles to do various things, such as finding the email from, let's say, Apollo. So we do Apollo, enrich person. So who are we putting in? We're putting in, do we need their first name? Put in their full name here. Yeah, I really should label them, shouldn't I? But I won't stop the video now. Email address, we don't have a company domain. Do we have the company domain? We do there in URL. Where is it? URL. And that's not the company name. Oops. Where's the URL? Is everything correct there? Yeah, we add fields. So what do we want? Well, we don't need a name anymore. The name, no, we already have that. We just need the email. And yeah, looks good. So we run this for the first 10 rows. Apollo is running here. Let's see how Apollo does. What's that? 8 out of 10. Not bad. Now we're going to just verify those leads because in my experience, sometimes as little as 50% of the email addresses are good. I usually use zero bounce. I have an account with zero bounce, so that's what I'm going to use. So we're going to validate the emails that, no, not that, Apollo produced. You can see a nice preview and only safe to send. That's what I go with. There's plenty of people out there in the world to pitch, so you don't have to take chances by pitching not safe to send in zero bounce's eyes. So we want to see the status as well, because that enables us to do other stuff. Yeah, which we won't be doing in this video. Right, let's see what it got. So I predict 50%. So we got 8 there. So I predict only 4 good ones. Let's see if I got it right. 1, 2, 3. So it was, yeah, only 3. Okay, so there you can get an idea of how you would scrape, for example, a speaker list, pull it in, map it all up, then try and get the email addresses using Apollo. Of course, Apollo is just one data source. You can do a waterfall and run it through multiple things. Everyone can have a crack at it. And then, of course, you would validate the email address. Yeah, so if you want us to do that for you, just drop us a line.